Hello everyone, welcome back to the Doors for Your Academy's YouTube channel. So today we are here with another class. So let's start today's class. So at first we will read the passage carefully. So the passage is, snakes belong to a class of animals called reptiles. So in this passage we will learn about snakes who belongs to a class of animal which is called reptiles. So what is reptile? So, reptiles is a group of cold blooded animals which have skin covered with small hard plates called scales. So, reptile is a cold blooded animal. So, their blood is cold. Like human, they have warm blood or warm blood, but reptiles has cold blood. So, next line. This group also includes crocodile, lizards, and turtles. So, in the reptiles group, there is also includes crocodiles, lizards, and turtles. Snakes are found almost everywhere in forests, deserts, and lakes. So, snakes are found almost everywhere, like forests, deserts, and lakes. They cannot survive in places where the ground is frozen all through the year. But in some places where the ground is frozen or the weather is cold, in that kind of places snakes cannot survive. The snake has very poor eyesight, and snakes cannot see properly. They have very poor eyesight. It uses its other senses to escape damage and find food. So snakes has poor eyesight. Because of that, they use other senses to escape from damage and to find their food. Some snakes smell with their noses, but most of them smell with their tongues. And in snakes, some snakes smell with their nose, but most of the snakes smells with their tongues. The body of a snake is covered with scales made of layers of cells. So, a snake's body is covered with scales, which is made of layer of cells. A few times, a few times every year, a snake shades the outer layer of dead skin. Next line. A few times every year, a snake sheds the outer layer of dead skin. So, in a year, few times a snake sheds their outer layer of dead skin. So, shade. So, what is the meaning of shade? Shade means the natural process of shading or casting off the outermost layer of skin, which is composed of dead cells to make new healthy skin. And dead skin is a part of body which renews new healthy skin. Next line. The cells underneath at once form the outer layer, which is protective covering for the snakes. And after shading their dead skin, the cell underneath in their body forms another outer layer which protect their body. So the passage is done. Now we will start the questions. So the first question is, snakes are called. So what are the snakes called? Options are lizards, scales, reptiles, turtles. So in this passage, we learned that snakes are called as reptiles. Option number C is correct answer. Next question. Snakes cannot survive in. So in what kind of place snakes cannot survive? Options are frozen places, deserts, forests, lakes. So the correct answer is option number A, frozen places. So the answer is snakes cannot survive in frozen places. Next question. Snakes have poor dash. Options are sense of smell, hearing, sense of touch, eyesight. So the correct answer is option number D. Snakes have poor eyesight. Next question. dash protects the snake from injury. So what protects the snake from injury? Options are tongue, scales, dead skin, nose. So the scales of snake protects them from the injury. Next question. The word survive means. So what is the meaning of survive? Options are live, move, escape, belong. So the meaning of survive is continue to live or exist, especially in spite of danger or hardship. So the meaning of survive is live. So all the questions are done. Now we will see what other questions can ask from this passage. So the first question is, in what kind of class snakes belong to? So the answer is, snakes belong to a class of animals called reptiles. Next question, in reptile class, what other animals are included? So the answer is, this group also includes crocodiles, lizards, and turtles. Next question, where are the snakes found? So the answer is, snakes are found almost everywhere in forests, deserts, and lakes. Next question, in what kind of place snakes cannot survive? So the answer is, snakes cannot survive in the place where the ground is frozen all through the year. Next question, so what kind of eyesight has a snake? So the answer is, the snake has a very poor eyesight. Next question, a part of eyesight, what kind of sense do snakes use to escape from danger and find food? So snake uses its other senses to escape from damage and find food. So other senses means they can smell the danger or smell the food from their nose, or they can feel the sensation from their skin, which is attached to the ground. When they walk, they attach to the ground, so they sense the vibration from the soil or from the ground. So they uses the sensory and the smell, which is the other senses. Next question, a snake's body is covered with. So the answer is, the body of a snake is covered with scales made of layers of cells. Next question, in how many times a year a snake sheds their outer layer of skin? So the answer is, a few times of every year a snake sheds the outer layer of dead skin. Next question, what is the work of outer layer of snake's skin? So the outer layer, which is a protective covering for the snake. So the outer layer protects snakes from the danger. So these are the questions can ask you in the exam. Read these questions carefully. So this is it for today's class. If you like this class, then like, share, subscribe to the Doers Warrior Academy's YouTube channel. And if you want to join us and want to purchase the online courses, you can contact us in the given number. And our Doers Warrior Academy app is also available in the Play Store. If you join us, then you will get in this app live classes, free PDFs, free mock tests, and recorded classes. If you're interested, then do contact us in the given number, and we will meet in the next class. Thank you.